Gina, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Hello. Hello.
Hey, you're on the air. Go ahead.
Hi. I have a question. My father purchased his house as an unmarried man with a reverse mortgage, and then he married. His wife moved out over 6 months ago, and they have decided to not get a divorce.
All right.
And our question is that as he has 3 biological children, and we have 2 things that we're concerned about: his health care, if something was to happen to him, that we're able to take care of that as his children.
All right.
And then if something was to happen to his house, he has a car house and just no bank account, and his car, what type of a document would we need to have in place to make sure his wishes are
all right.
Everything is the way he wants it to be towards his biological children.
As far as health care decisions are concerned, the doctors, if it came down to it, are going to naturally look to his wife to make those decisions. If your father wants his children to make those health care decisions, he should have a health care surrogate form saying that. Okay? The next thing is that by the very fact of being married, his wife, even though they're separated and living apart, she is automatically going to have rights in that home when he passes away. So he might very well have a will that says, when I die, I leave everything to my children, and yet she could step in and say, I don't care what his will says. When he passes away, I want my rights to this home. So, Gina, with that said, tell me, do you have any other questions?
I guess no. So then there is no document that he would be able to have if they don't plan on joining back together as a husband and wife. The only option then, you're saying, because they just don't want to go through the hassle of it.
Okay, so let's say this.
Would be then to really get a divorce.
We now know that she has rights to his home, even though they're separated and she lives in another home. She could waive those rights in writing. So if she's in agreement that when your dad passes away, this home would automatically go to his 3 kids, and she's willing to sign on the dotted line saying that, then Gina, let's get this done. Let's get your dad down to my office and get his wife down there as well. Either together, they don't have to come in together to sign things, and have her sign that, and we'll make things go simple, easy, inexpensive for your dad when he passes away, Gina.